Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this neck tattoo filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. Okay, so to get this effect on Snapchat, let me remove this first. Okay, it's gone. Okay, so to get this effect on Snapchat, what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you are browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. And suppose you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Okay, and you will see this pop up on Snapchat, unlock for 48 hours. Just tap there. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. Tap on it and that's it. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.